Welcome to Bunq. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Bunq Easy Bank Review My Usage Experience. Bunq Easy Bank Review My Usage Experience offers a straightforward, modern banking experience designed for individuals and small businesses who value simplicity and transparency. Its main purpose is to provide a user-friendly online banking platform with a focus on ease of use and managing finances. Key features include account management, international payments, and budgeting tools. Their website provides details on all their offerings. Bunq's positioning is as a challenger bank, emphasizing a lack of hidden fees and a commitment to user-friendly design. They tout their ease of use and transparent pricing structure as key advantages over traditional banks. They highlight their modern technology and focus on user experience. Availability is primarily online. You can check their website for details on eligibility. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Bunq Easy Bank Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. The sign-up process was quick and intuitive, only requiring a few simple steps and verification. Navigating the interface was also very easy. The dashboard is clean and well-organized, making it simple to see my account balance, recent transactions, and upcoming payments. I particularly appreciated the budgeting features. The visual representation of my spending habits helped me track my finances much more effectively. I regularly use the international transfer feature and found the process straightforward and reasonably priced compared to other providers. I had a quick question about setting up a recurring payment, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, providing a clear and helpful explanation. One minor drawback was the somewhat limited number of supported currencies. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Bunq's service. The standout feature for me was definitely the intuitive dashboard and the ease of making international transfers. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and exceeded my expectations in terms of ease of use and transparency. That's my overview of Bunq Easy Bank Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Bunq for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.